anong masasabi mo, Andrew, na you have this revival of the 90s na music? I mean, not really, more on reunion. You have the Sex Bomb reunion, the Wolfgang. So ano masasabi mo dun?
Yeah, it's heyday and hey time for them to do that. Just like a lot of people have been doing that from the last couple of years. No? In fact, I was one of them, di ba?
Yes,
Nagkaroon ako ng,
yeah.
One Time for Your Mind last December, not December but the other December. So yun, heyday for them to do that. In fact, baka hindi lang yan ang acts to follow kasi marami ding mga, di ba, acts way back before the 90s na pwede rin bumalik and magsibalikan. There's a lot of them, di ba?
Yeah. So what do you think you should have as an artist and what shouldn't you lose?
Roundabout could be their persistence of putting themselves out. Yun muna siguro. Kasi no one will push you and push your art form to the public or even to the new generation kung wala ka ring push from yourself. Kasi dapat may sarili kang push kasi. I mean, not just anybody telling you, making you act like you have to do it. Kasi kung nasa iyo mismo, you know, and you don't have to wait for other people to tell you that, then maybe magkakaroon ka agad ng initiative ng sarili mo to really come out and be in the open and then introduce yourself to the new generation. So para sa akin, first it has to be your own push. And secondly, your consistency of believing in yourself. It has to be that way. Eh kasi meron kang push kung medyo kulang naman yung paniniwala mo sa sarili mo because you know, di ba, a lot of times to a lot of people, napakarami yung tipong, you know, may bit silang doubt sa sarili nila. I mean, well, for me, it's just a game, you know. Parang laro lang yan eh. Kapag nagkaroon ka ng doubt to play the game, then maybe you won't even play the game itself.
Yeah.
Kasi, di ba, ang laro, nalalaro pag nilalaro mo na. Pero pag ang laro, hindi mo pa nilalaro, ayaw mo nang laruin, mas lalong hindi ka makapaglaro. You know, yun yung logic dun. So, I think it has to be the consistency of believing in yourself. Na kung noon, na nung walang-wala tayo, lahat tayo, karamihan ng artist, karamihan, more than 100% ng mga artist, nanggaling naman sa wala eh. So, noong araw na wala tayo, meron lang tayong talent pero wala tayong pangalan sa industry. Hindi ba sumatotal napakalaki ng tiwala mo sa sarili mo to come out nung panahon na yun? Eh di dapat hindi mawala yung paniniwala sa sarili mo to come out until now. Dapat yun pa rin ang kung gaano ka hungry way long ago, dapat ganun ka rin ka-hungry nowadays.
Sir,
So many
intriga.
Sige.
May
Sige.